How's banging John Shaft going?
It's all slimy, greasy.
Okay. Over
I'm
the
wondering
line.
if the finance manager for this project's gonna kill me or not.
Over the line. All right.
Is there really an over the line though? I mean, think about it. Is
Not
there
with you.
really an over the line? Because something I find over the line, you don't.
Yeah.
And something you find over the line, I don't.
I think over the line will be when we get banned from YouTube.
And that will never happen. Why?
Because Scotty's got a mouth on him.
Yep. And as long as
That's
it
what the wall in the men's room says.
Well, gotta make a living somehow. I mean, Daddy needs a new pair of shoes.
So, how's the shaft?
Going fantastically.
Oh boy.
Oh, I had to move my rubber.
Oh, I'm tired. Are you tired?
I walked out of the womb and went, I'm going back to sleep.
Nice. Thankfully you didn't have to pay.
See,
for
I
that.
told you I got his shaft all greasy. Did I or did I not?
I think somebody else got it greasy and you're just wiping up the mess.
Yeah, just my luck. Fucking secondhand grease.
Oh, God. Oh, no. All right. So Scotty's going to...
And, just to make it worse, I'm gonna clean the hole.
Okay, well, while Scotty makes inappropriate noises cleaning the hole, I'm going to go back to billing. So when you're ready to put one of those in, you let me know.
I'm cleaning the hole real good.
Okay, we get it.